everyone, welcome back to Sumi Fashions. We're up with another video with different saree collections. It is a mixture collections. So we have got some of the organza, we have got some cotton silk as well as matka silk. So this is gonna be a different video with different saree collections with a limited number of colors, but let us know if you want to dye in any colors. So for the first saree is linen silk saree. So the saree looks grey. The saree body is this, and the pallu is black. So let's have a complete look on the pallu side. It's a linen silk, guys. So this is the complete look of a pallu, guys. It's very beautiful pallu. So the pallu is standing out in the saree. This is completely jari, guys. So this is completely jari, and this is again a handloom saree. Look at this. See, it's a complete jari and hand woven. It's a handloom. So this is how the pallu looks, and the blouse is black color. So it's having a contrast blouse. Pallu is black as well as the blouse, and the saree body looks like this. It's linen silk, guys, and it's also not on the order side. It's very on the flexible side. You can drape it as you wish. It's more on the shinier side of the saree, guys. Look at that. The complete saree looks like this. Linen silk is very much in trend these days. So this is one of the collection we have got. In case you want any other colors, please let us know. Pre-order on the WhatsApp number which is displayed on the screen. Now let us see one more saree. We have got the sample of different materials available with us. You can order us on different colors what you require. So the other saree is organza. This is pure organza saree. It's in a black and red combination, which is outstanding color. Look at this, guys, how beautiful the border is. The jari is so much outstanding, guys. So this is the pallu. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful pallu. Look at this, how beautiful design they have done. This is how the pallu is, and the saree looks like this. All over saree, it's a black saree, black organza saree with this big border. It's a very big border. Contrast border. And let's see the blouse. Blouse is again contrast in color. So since the pallu is red color, we have got the blouse in red color. This is again organza with a beautiful border, and the saree is full of jari. The whatever you're seeing, right, it's completely jari. Look at that, how beautiful the saree is. This beautiful organza saree is priced at 3,500. $3,500, guys. For other colors, if required, let us know. And this is one more saree. This is linen. This is linen silk. Body is completely yellow saree and the pallu is black. This is how the pallu looks. This is the blouse, guys. This is the blouse. Let us see the pallu first. So this is the pallu. It got a very beautiful design. That saree is yellow, guys, and the pallu is black. And all over saree we have got a black pallu. Black pallu with a golden jari. This is a completely jari. All the sarees which we are showing is completely of jari. And this is blouse is outstanding piece, guys. Look at this blouse. It's having again the same border which the saree is carrying. Blouse all over we can see that there are the jari lines going. Can you see this, guys? Look at that. Complete blouses in this material. Once the blouse is stitched and worn, it's gonna outstand a lot. And again, since it is a linen silk, it's on the more on the shinier side, and it's very it's not hard, guys. See this, all the sarees which we show, right, it should be like more easy to carry. That's what we focus on, more comfort kind of. So this beautiful saree is again priced at 3500, guys. We have got another linen silk saree, guys. This is in contrast to the other saree which we seen. That was like a yellow saree with the contrast of black pallu and black blouse. This saree is completely black, guys. So the saree is completely black. Look at this saree. It's also again on the shinier side. This is the body and this is the pallu. Let me lift a line of the saree and show you. Look at this, how beautiful it looks. You can wear this saree for marriages, even the reception. It looks very good. So this is the pallu. Pallu is completely in golden jari and yellow color. Look at that, guys, how beautiful it is. You have got some leafy kind of buttas here with jari that is enhancing the design. So this is completely jari, guys. You can see this. It's very beautiful color. In fact, most of the customers ask for a outstanding contrast pieces. Hence this black, red, black, yellow or the most running pieces, I can say. And again, as you've seen the other saree, this is the blouse. It is having yellow border with golden jari. And look at the blouse, guys. It's very beautiful. It's completely jari with yellow thread. Look at that. You can use this blouse for multiple sarees, guys. See the look of the saree, how beautiful it is. This is the blouse. Once it is stitched right, I'm sure everyone is gonna compliment you, guys. So this is one more linen silk saree that I have got with better color combinations. So that is also priced at 3500, guys. Last piece, let us see this. This is a different piece, guys. This is matka silk. So I am sure all the saree lovers would have known that matka silk is more in trend now. So let us see this beautiful saree, how it looks. Let's open the pallu. It's very much in trend these days. So this is how the saree looks, guys. Look at that beautiful leafy design. Every saree is better than other sarees, guys. Look at this. Look at that. It's a copper kind of jari, guys. It's not that goldish. It's copper, and it's standing out. It's like complementing the black color, guys. Look at that. You have this copper leaf and the silver stems design with the jari. Look at that. Let's see. This is jari. Look at this. This is completely jari. And this saree is completely handloom, guys. All the sarees are handloom, whichever I'm showing. And the complete saree runs like this with the thick borders, guys. Look at the size of the border. It's very thick, very broad. All over the saree you have got this. So this is how the saree is gonna look like. You got the border on the top as well as on the bottom. Okay, guys, all over the saree looks like this. You'll get a border on the top as well as the bottom. Same design, same copper and silver combination. Very beautiful, guys. Very beautiful material. Material is very good, guys. I am sure you would have known by this time. It's a very beautiful material. Look at this. It's gonna definitely complement the one who wears this. And we have got the running blouse in this. Look at this. And this is the blouse. This is about the matka silk saree, guys. It's a very beautiful saree. The saree itself is a statement, I can say. And this is placed at only 3,900, guys. It's a very much affordable price that you get in the market. It's very, very beautiful, guys. For any orders, please message us on WhatsApp. I can't take my eye off. So WhatsApp on the number displayed on the screen. In case you require any other color combinations, let us know. We'll help you out. And this was the pretty saree collections that I've got. So for any sarees, messages at any time, we will be available. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe and share the video, like and comment. Also, guys, we are available on the Facebook and Instagram for the instant replies or anything to directly contact us. You can check the description box for more details. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.